Welcome to this explainer. Okay, so today we're going to break down exactly how to unlock premium AI coding tools without spending a single dime. Seriously, if you've been scouring the internet trying to figure out exactly how to run Claude free, well, you are in the right place. We're going to take this source material and basically build you a step-by-step roadmap to get top-tier AI coding assistance working right on your local machine completely free of charge.
Here's our quick 5-step playbook for today. We'll cover the high cost of AI, installing Claude Code, securing an OpenRouter key, setting up vscode, and finally testing out our free setup. Let's get into it. Section 1. The high cost of AI. Let's just face the elephant in the room, right? For students, hobbyists, or any budget-conscious developer out there, native API costs are just a massive barrier to entry. But what if you could bypass those hefty subscription fees entirely? What if you could access elite, complex, agentic capabilities anyway? That's the exact question our source material tackles today. We don't have to settle for basic models just because we're on a budget. Actually, scratch that. We can set up the official Claude Code CLI environment and power it using completely different, incredibly powerful engines. And our ultimate goal today comes down to one beautiful, perfect number: $0. Yep, achieving a fully functional Claude Code environment for absolutely nothing isn't some magic trick or a clickbait. It's entirely possible once you know how to basically reroute the software's API requests. And that is exactly the life hack we're going to execute.
So instead of paying for the pricey native Claude API, we're swapping in these absolute powerhouse open source models. Get this, the primary model highlighted in our source, Kimi K2.6, it actually outperforms Claude Opus on major coding and complex agentic benchmarks. Crazy, right? We're also going to look at another fantastic free model called Gemma 431B. And the best part? We access both of these via a platform called OpenRouter.
Which brings us to Section 2, installing Claude Code using Windows PowerShell. Honestly, the process is remarkably straightforward. First, simply search your Windows machine for PowerShell and open it up. Second, just paste in the single installation command, which you can easily grab from the source resources. Then, just hit enter and, enjoy staring at your terminal for the next 2 to 3 minutes while it downloads. Pretty much every developer's favorite pastime, right?
Okay, now for a really cool under-the-hood trick. To make this command work universally on your computer, you need to navigate through your files. Go to your local disk C, then Users, Admin, Local, and finally the bin folder to find a file called claude.xxe. Copy that exact file location. Then open your system environment variables, find the path variable, click Edit, and just paste that location right in there. Finally, pop open a fresh command prompt and type Claude version. Seeing version 2.1.170 pop up? Oh man, that is the sweet relief that confirms your hack worked perfectly.
Moving right along to Section 3, securing your OpenRouter key to access those free AI models.
Now, if you aren't familiar with it, OpenRouter is essentially this massive website hub hosting over 300 different AI models. I'm talking everything from premium tiers down to completely free. By creating an account here, you generate a single API key that acts like a universal adapter to all these different AI brains. And we're going to generate a brand new key specifically for this setup.
Just a quick warning though, when you click Create on OpenRouter to make that new API key, you need to treat it like highly classified information. Like copy it immediately and store it somewhere super safe, because once you hit enter and close that window, you literally cannot view it ever again. And please, it goes without saying, never share your API key with anyone else.
Okay, Section 4, setting up VS Code for a better coding environment. We've got a really quick checklist of essential gear to install here. First up, download and install VS Code itself. Second, install Git Bash for Windows so we can actually run proper shell commands. Third, install Node.js. Do not skip this one. It gives your environment the ability to actually execute and run the code the AI builds for you later on. And finally, inside VS Code, search for and download the official Claude extension, which is published by Anthropic, Claude's parent company.
Once you launch the VS Code, create a new folder, open it up, and definitely make sure to click Yes, I trust the authors. Now, open the terminal at the very bottom of the screen. You're going to paste the provided launch command to start up Claude. But here is the massive, slightly rebellious life hack. In that command, you'll see a string for an Anthropic key. Delete that default Anthropic string entirely. Just wipe it out and boldly paste your secret OpenRouter API key instead. This brilliant little bait and switch is exactly how we trick the system into using our free open source models.
All right, the moment of truth. Section 5, testing your free setup and running your first prompt.
So after hitting enter and confirming you want to use the model for free, you submit your first prompt. Let's say just a simple hi. Now it might say retrying it first. Don't panic. On this very first run, it takes about 47 seconds to initialize the AI model. But then, using that free Kimi K2.6 model, it replies right there in your terminal. Hello, I'm Claude Code. I'm ready to help you with software engineering tasks.
Now you might be thinking, 47 seconds is a bit slow, but listen, that's just the engine warming up. Ask it a second question and watch that response time absolutely plummet to a blazing fast 7 seconds. You are getting top-tier coding assistance almost instantly.
And the whole system is completely modular. Let's say you want to tap into a completely different brain. You can just go back to OpenRouter, look up a model like Gemma 431b, copy its exact name, and simply replace the Kimi text string in your vscode terminal command. With that one simple swap, the source test showed this new model thinking for just 1 single second before delivering a perfect response. 1 second. That's incredible.
To truly prove its worth, the source ran the ultimate test. They typed a simple command right into the free, custom-routed Claude CLI, build me a calculator. The AI thought about it, responded with the code, and when that generated code was pasted directly into a web browser, boom! A fully functional calculator application just appeared. Built perfectly, instantly, and of course for absolutely nothing.
By following this explainer, you've unlocked a truly incredible technical workaround. You've installed the framework, totally bypassed those expensive paywalls by leveraging OpenRouter, and set up a lightning-fast coding environment right in VS Code. So, I'll leave you with this final thought. You now have a free, tireless AI developer right at your fingertips. The question is, what are you going to build first? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and happy coding!